GML800 series ANSI standard electromechanical lock. Door status monitoring output. Lever monitoring output. Lock monitoring output. Installation Note 1, check door swing direction. Reverse latch for outswing doors. Use flathead screwdriver, insert into the hole on the back of lock case. Push the latch bolt forward, rotate the screwdriver to 180 degree and retract the latch bolt. Installation Note 2, outside lever cannot retract latch. Operating the lever does not retract the latch bolt when the screw is removed. For access control secured area, operating the lever does not retract the latch bolt. Installation Note 3, check lock mode. Now change to fail-safe mode. Now change to fail secure mode. Install cover to finish. Installation Note 4, check input voltage. 2 plug-in pigtail connectors are included. Use the pigtail Mark 12 VDC when applying 12 VDC power. Installation demonstration. Required tools. Step 1. Mark installation positions. Place the template in the installation position. Align the center line of door with template center line. Step 2. Drill and cut holes as per marked positions. Drill 3 mm holes at the 4 corners of the cutting area. Drill 5.2 mm holes for lock case screws and then chamfer. Step 3. Install the lock case. Secure the mounting tabs. Connect power wires. Fasten the lock case. Adjust lock case position. Screw the faceplate to the lock. Step 4. Install the lever. Install the outside lever parts in order. Notice installation orientation. Install the inside lever parts in order. Notice installation orientation. Fasten the rose cover. Spring must be placed into the inside lever. Fasten the inside lever. Use wrench to tighten up. Step 5. Install the cylinder. Remove the faceplate. Install the cylinder parts in order. Notice installation orientation. Install the cylinder in the lock. Tighten the cylinder using Phillips screwdriver. Screw the faceplate. Finish. Inside lever is operable. Operating outside lever does not retract latch bolting using key override. Operating inside lever opens door. Outside lever does not retract latch bolt. Use key override. Outside lever does not retract latch bolt. Use other electric access control device.